How to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. In this video, I'll show you how to save several places into a custom list so you can easily organize trips, favorite spots, or important locations. First, open the Google Maps app or website. Find the first location you want to save, then tap or click on it to drop a pin or open its location details. Next, tap Save. If this is your first location, choose New List and give your list a name, such as Trip, Vacation, or anything you prefer. Then tap Create. Now your first location has been added to the list. Next, search for another location you want to save. Open its details, tap Save, and this time select the same list you just created. Repeat these steps for every location you want to include. Once you've added multiple places, simply zoom out on the map and you'll see all of your saved locations associated with that list. If you ever want to hide those pins from your map, tap Saved, find your custom list, then tap the three dots next to it. Select Hide on your map, and the saved locations will no longer appear on the map. Whenever you want to see them again, return to Saved, open the same menu, and choose Show on your map. That's it. You've successfully pinned multiple locations on Google Maps and organized them into a custom list. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.